In this video, we're going to look at the nomenclature of alcohols. So an alcohol generically is just that OH group. It's higher in priority than alkynes and alkenes, and those are higher in priority than just alkyl groups or the halogens. So when we name an alcohol, we'll name so that it has the highest priority. So we'll number such that it gets the lowest number possible. So if we look at just kind of a simple example, let's say that we have this alcohol here. If I started numbering from the left-hand side, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I start numbering from the right-hand side, it would be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to number to give it the lowest priority. I need a locant to say where it is. This is at the 3 position, so this is going to be 3 heptanol. So it changes the parent name, so instead of heptane, it's heptanol. So the OL tells me there's an alcohol, and the 3 tells me that it's at the 3rd carbon. So we could have another example here. Okay, so in this case, if I started from the left-hand side, I would have 2 substituents with the number 2 locant, but they are lower in priority than the alcohol. So I'm still going to number to give the alcohol the lowest priority. So I'm going to start from the right-hand side again. So this is going to be a hexanol, and I will have in alphabetical order my substituents. So it will be 4 bromo, 5 dimethyl, and then I can put the number for where the alcohol is either out in front here or right in front of the OL. So I'm going to put it right in front of the OL to show you the other way to do it. So right up against this will be hexane 2, there's a dash there, and then OL. Okay, so that would be all one word, but I ran out of space. So it's 4 bromo, 5 dimethyl, hexane 2-ol. I could also have a compound that has a double bond in it, and if it has a double bond, then it's going to change that root name in 2 spots. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. So this is going to be hex 5-ene 3-ol. So the 5-ene tells me I have a double bond at the 5 position, so between carbons 5 and 6. And the 3-ol tells me I have an alcohol at the 3 position. So you still change the root name for that double bond, or a triple bond would be the same, in that instead of ane it would be ene or ine. And then the very end will change with the OL for the alcohol. So then lastly, I could have an alcohol that had 2 different alcohols on there, and so then this would be called a diol, and each one will have a locant. Even if they're on the same carbon, they should still have a locant. So this is 2,3 hexane diol. Okay, so the diol tells me there are 2 alcohols, and the substituents, or the coefficients for where they are out front. I could also have put them right in front of diol. So let's say that I have 3 alcohols. That would be a triol. And I'm going to put these right in front this time. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything's 6, so let's make it 7. Okay, so this would be heptane 2, 2, 5 triol. Okay, so triol tells me that I have 3 alcohols, and because I have 3 alcohols, I should have 3 locants. So even though 2 of them are on the same carbon atom, I have a locant for each of them. So now I know that those 3 carbon atoms, 2 of them are on the 2 position and 1 of them is on the 5 position.